Next, let's ask what happens when truck continues moving from M, midway, to Q, which is the northernmost part, most vertical part of the road adjoining the lake. Will the driver place more benches on the main roads, which is choice D? Or will the driver place more chairs on cross streets? Please spend some time thinking about this before seeing the animation next. As the truck starts out from P, it's mainly traveling parallel to the blue crossroads, so it intersects mainly main roads which are white. In fact, it intersects about 7 main roads and only 3 blue crossroads. But after it reaches M, traveling equally north and west, so it's hitting both the white main roads and the blue cross streets. And a little later, it's only hitting cross streets, the blue cross streets, because it's traveling largely west. Let's recap what happens from M through Q. You may have noticed in the animation that as the truck started moving from M, it was initially going northwest and intersecting both main roads and cross streets. And as it neared Q, it was mainly moving horizontally or westward, where it was parallel to main roads and could therefore not intersect them. So the correct answer is E. The driver will place more chairs on cross streets. So in summary, till the midway point, the truck placed more benches along main roads than chairs, as it was traveling more northward and less westward. Then, from the midway point to Q, the truck placed more chairs on crossroads, as it was traveling more westward and less northward. Let's plot the truck's north coordinate on the y-axis as a function of the angle of the truck at the center. For the first 30 degrees, the truck moves mainly north and only a little bit west. So the sine function on the right is quite steep. It is steepest at the very start and starts getting a little bit flatter as it approaches 30 degrees. At 30 degrees, which is 1/3 of the way to Q, the truck has vertical coordinate of 0.5, so the remaining 0.5 of vertical distance to Q is covered less steeply in the remaining 60 degrees. From 30 to 45 degrees, the truck moves slightly more north than west, and from 45 to 60 degrees, slightly more west than north. The above two together mean the truck moves equally north and west between 30 to 60 degrees. At 45 degrees, when the truck is at point X, it moves equally north and west. We will later see that this is a crucial point of symmetry. At 60 degrees, it's moving less north and more west. From 60 to 90 degrees, the truck moves mainly west and only a little bit north, so the graph on the right is quite flat. As it approaches 90 degrees, it is only very slightly moving north, and the graph is almost flat with the truck moving mainly west.